how are you? I hope you all are doing great today. So today we'll be starting with our very interesting and a very relatable topic, that is perimeter and area. The learning objectives in this chapter, we will learn to understand the concept of perimeter and area. Then we will find the perimeter and area of rectilinear figures. Now let's recall. We have to find the perimeter of the following students. Here is 1.5 meter and this is 1 meter, students. So the perimeter will be, very good students, that is 2 into length plus breadth. That is the perimeter of a rectangle, students. So 2 into 2.5, that is of 5 meter. Now let's look at the perimeter by using a formula. The perimeter of some polygons can be calculated directly by using a formula. We now learn to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle and a square by using a formula. Here is the perimeter of a rectangle, students, and the rectangle shown. The perimeter will be the sum of all its sides. Therefore, perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth, and perimeter of rectangle can be written as 2 into length plus breadth or 2 into L plus B. Always remember, students, the length and breadth must have the same units while calculating the perimeter. For example, students, we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 8 cm and breadth is 3 cm. So, the perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth, that is equals to 22 centimeters, the perimeter of the rectangle. In example number 2, we have to find the length of wire required to fence 2 rounds of rectangular park of length 24 meter and breadth 20 meter. Also, we have to find the cost of fencing the park at a rate of rupees 4 per meter. So, the length of the park is, very good students, that is 24, breadth is 20, perimeter is 88 meter, and we have to fence 2 rounds, that means we will multiply it by 2, and cost of fencing 1 meter is 4 rupees. Cost of fencing 176 meter is, very good students, that is 704 rupees. Now let's look at the perimeter of a square. In the square shown, the perimeter will be the sum of its sides, students. Here is the side and all the sides are equal. So perimeter will be 4 into side or 4s. Now let's look at example number 3, students. We have to find the perimeter of square whose measures 8 cm each. Side of square is 8 cm. Perimeter is equals to 4 into side, that is 32 cm. Let's look at the perimeter of triangle, students. Perimeter of triangle is sum of measure of all 3 sides. We have to find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 5, 4 and 6. So perimeter is equals to sum of all sides, that is equals to 15 cm. Now let's look at the perimeter time A. In the first one, what we have to do, students? The length and breadth of some rectangles are given. We have to find the perimeter using the formula. So perimeter is equals to, very good students, 2 into length plus breadth, that is equals to 2 into 65 plus 35, that is equals to, very good students, that is 10, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, and 100 into 2 is, very good students, 200 centimeter. In the next one, we have given the sides of some squares are given and we have to find the perimeter. So this is equals to, perimeter is equals to 4 into side, that is equals to 4 into 5.4 centimeter, that is equals to, very good students, 21.6 centimeter. In the next one, we have to find the sides of a triangle are given and we have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So that is equals to sum of all sides, students. So that is 4.8 plus 3.5 plus 5.7 centimeter, that is equals to, very good students, 14 centimeter. Now let's look at the area. We have learned that the perimeter is the boundary of a figure, and what we can say about the surface covered by the figure, the amount of surface covered by a figure is known as the area of the figure. Just as we need a standard unit for the measurement of length, similarly we need a standard unit for measurement of area also. A square of side 1 unit like 1 centimeter or 1 meter is a standard unit of area. Given here is a square of side 1 centimeter. We can say that square has an area of 1 square centimeter, and it can also be written as 1 square centimeter or 1 centimeter square. Now area is always measured in square units, students. The figure alongside has length 6 centimeter and breadth of 4 meter. Now the rectangle is divided into a number of squares and each square has a side 1 centimeter. The rectangle is covered with 24 such squares, so the area of rectangle is 24 square centimeter. The number of units needed to cover a surface is called its area. Now units used for measurement of area. First is, small surface are measured in square centimeter or centimeter square. For example, surface area of a book. Now, large surfaces are measured in square meters or meter square. For example, surface area of a park. Now, still larger surfaces are measured in square kilometers or kilometer square. For example, surface area of a country. It is not always possible to measure the area of counting squares. To find area in such cases, formulas are used. Formula for measuring area of rectangle. The rectangle ABCD has been divided into squares of side 1 cm. The area of each square is 1 square centimeter, and the area of rectangle is number of unit square in the rectangle. So the area of rectangle is equals to ABCD 15 square centimeter. If we observe, we will find the following: number of squares along with the length is 5, number of squares along with the breadth is 3, and if we multiply the two, that is equals to 15 square centimeter. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. For example, students, we have to find the area of lawn having length and breadth like this. So lawn is 10 centimeter, breadth of lawn is 14 centimeter, and the area of lawn is 140 square centimeter. Now here is the formula for the area of a square. We know that a square is a special kind of rectangle with all sides equal. It means in square length is equals to breadth. So area of square is side into side or side square. For example, students, find the area of square of side 15 centimeters. So the area will be, very good students, that is side into side. So that is equals to 225 square centimeter. Now know your skill. We have to find the area of each of the following figures by counting squares. Each has an area of 1 square centimeter. So first one, very good students, that is 1 square centimeter. In the second one, 4 square centimeter. That's how you have to complete it. Practice time B, students. In the first one, we have to find the area of each rectangle with the following measurements. So area of rectangle is, very good students, that is length into breadth, that is equals to 12.8 into, very good students, 9 meter square, that is equals to 115.2 meter square. In the next one, we have to find the area of square with the following measurements. So area is equals to, very good students, that is side into side, that is equals to 2.5 into 2.5, that is equals to, very good students, 6.25 centimeter square. In the next one, we have to find the missing measurement in each of the following. Area is 81 square centimeter. So side kitni ho jayegi students? That will be, area is equals to side into side, that is equals to 81. Square is equals to side of the square. So side is equals to 9 centimeter. Now area of a triangle. You can use the area of rectangle to find the area of right triangle. Draw a rectangle 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Then we will draw a diagonal like this, students. See. Now you have two congruent right triangles. Area of rectangle is equals to 15 centimeter. Area of triangle is equals to half into 15, that is 7.5 square centimeter. Now always remember, students, diagonal is a line segment which joins two opposite vertex of a figure. Congruent stands for identical. In example number 7, we have to find the area of shaded triangle in the given figure. Area of rectangle ABCD is equals to, very good students, 24 square centimeter, and area of triangle ABC is half of 24, that is equals to 12 square centimeter. So area of shaded triangle is 12 square centimeter. Now let's look at practice time C, students. In the first one, we have to find the area of the right triangles. So this will be, very good students, that is half of 4 into 5, that is equals to 10 square centimeter. Area of figures not covering whole squares. There are some shapes which do not cover the whole squares or complete squares. To find the area of such figures, we have to consider half squares beside complete squares. You have to find the area along side is covering 12 complete squares, and here are 2 half square, students, and 1 whole square. So the area of figure is 13 square unit. Now let's look at the practice time D. In the first one, we have to find the area of figures given below. Each square is equals to 1 square centimeter. So this is, very good students, 9 square centimeter. That's how we can solve the second part, students. Now let's look at the checkpoint. In the first one, we have to find the perimeter. What we'll do, students, we will add perimeter is sum of all sides, that is equals to 28 centimeter. In the next one, we have to find the perimeter of the square. So that is equals to 4 into 4, that is equals to 16 centimeter. In the next one, we have to find the side of these squares with perimeter as given below. Perimeter is equals to 4 into side, students, and that is equals to 84. So 84 by 4 is equals to side. that is equals to, very good students, 21 centimeter. In the next one, we have to find the perimeter of rectangle, students. So that is equals to 2 into 5.5 length plus breadth. So that is equals to, very good students, that is equals to 2 into 0, 1 carry 8, that is equals to 16 centimeter. Now in the next one, what we have to do, students? We have to find the area of square whose side measures are, so area is equals to, very good students, side into side, that is equals to 9.3 into 9.3, that is equals to 86.49 square centimeter. In the next one, again you have to find the area of rectangle, students. So that is equals to length into breadth. 8.1 into 2.5, that is equals to 20.25 square centimeter. In the next one, you have to find the length and breadth of the following, students. So let's look at the length. Area is equals to length into breadth. So 94.3 by 8.2 is equals to length. So length is equals to, very good students, 11.5 centimeter. That's how you can solve the remaining part, students. Now I hope you have understood the chapter pretty well. You just have to practice exercise questions and don't forget to revise this topic again, students.